5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So in this lesson, we are going to go over this idea, this notion of the remate, and we're just going to focus on this end part for tangos. Now, let's get to it. I had that, we started out at 144 beats per minute. And I did 2 compasses, 2 passes of 8 beats. On the second pass of 8 beats, that's really what we're going to be focusing on. I just wanted to give some kind of context. So and this is, a very, very basic rhythm. It can sound really cool, but I like to focus on what we're focusing on. So instead of doing some other fancy pattern, we're just going to work on that final remate. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 identical. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is that A with the add flat 9. 0, 2, 3, 2, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And now this is the remate. We're going to go 5, a golpe, 6. And now we're going to start a rasgueado. It's going to be ring finger, middle, index, and then index up. All of that, A, M, I, and then I up, starts before beat 7, and that index finger up ends on beat 7. So we go 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. What I am doing to close this is I'm muting with my fret hand pinky, okay? So I'm not going 5, 6, 7, I'm going like that with my right hand, all my picking hand, okay? So that's it, okay? That's what we're going to be working on. So now let's take this to 100 beats per minute. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Now, your mission would be to take that idea, that ending of that remate, and put that at the end of any patterns that you have, to be able to fit that in like a Lego, yeah, and take that back 5, 6, 7, 8, and put that with any tangos pattern that you might have, okay? Let me know if you have any questions at all. I hope you enjoy the work. Bye-bye.